Why would anyone order this truck? This is a 2026 Platinum 250 with a high output, the Platinum Plus package, and a Tremor package. Let's do a quick walk around. Let's see what will make somebody order this truck. Alright guys, so right off the bat, when we look at the front of the car, the F-250 or the Super Duties, it's just a very bold setup to the truck, right? So it's got this big grille, big lamps. It's just very bold about everything. Big Ford oval right there with the camera built into it. Got the painted bumpers. Nice fog lamps with it's like an aluminum finish to it. Big Super Duty here in the middle, just right into the hood. I like it. I'm up to the side here of this Platinum Tremor. So we get the Tremor wheels, 35-inch tires. I like that finish. It's like a black with an aluminum finish. It's very sharp. Get a clear view of the suspension. There's a bigger ground clearance here because of the package. I'll put it right there on the video. You come around the side, you've got the Platinum 250, the high output, big towing mirrors. We got the deployables. Step up here for the bed. We also got the step up bumper. Walk around the back. Very clean, very bold, very in your face setup for the 250. So you got Platinum right there, Super Duty right there, ready to tow. It's got the 4 steps there right there. Power built right there into the bed. It's a Platinum. Can't fold up your own tailgate. You come around the side here. Tremor. The F fluid. And this color, this is Marsh Gray. Probably one of my favorite colors that Ford is making right now. And of course, my favorite feature right there. Let's check out the back seat. Nice finishes to the door panel. A metal cover. B&O sound system. There's your back seat. Diamond stitching here. You have the heated seats. You got everything here. Put that up. Toolbox right there. You got on the back seat here. It's very comfy setup. perforated seats. Suede material on your headliner. Pockets on the back seat. Little handle here to step up into your Tremor Platinum. So you actually get the same finish in the back doors as you get in the front doors. Bunch of space here. You can put everything. Literally everything can fit there. If you want to move, it's gonna fit right there. We also have a illuminated platinum finish right there to your Platinum. These are my favorites. This thing has a massaging feature built into it. Step inside this Platinum here and see what this Platinum is all about. Close that door. It's about 100 degrees outside, so I got my AC on blast. Got my seat ventilation going on right there. Let me set up my massage. Of course, we need the full recovery. It's gonna be a long day today. This is pretty cool. So this is something that they do. So you can slide that around. So you can have more cup holders, or if you want storage, just storage right there. Wireless charging pad, USB ports. You have power there. A glove box on top of your glove box. And then up here you have your accessory switches, the rear glass opener, and then you can open your shades and the glass. It's right out there, so we're gonna close the shade. Speakers up top. I'll put the numbers of speakers right there at the bottom. Alrighty guys, so let's take this thing for a POV drive. This thing is set up to tow your whole house. You can tow your whole house. You can tow whatever you want. You can hook up to your neighbor's house and tow it. If you're mad at them, you can do whatever you want, because this will probably tow it. Let's get this POV drive going. Oh, yeah. Wow, 1,200 pound-feet of torque, 500 horses from the high output. Feels amazing. Same drives. Just fix one there. just drives smooth. Even with the 35-inch tires and the bigger suspension with the 2-inch lift, it's not lifted, but it's just tuned. Like, so Ford gave it a 2-inch higher ride height. So even with that, I'm doing highway speeds right now, and this thing is a great drive. The tires, the bigger tires are more off-road, so they do make a little bit more noise. But where a truck like this is designed to live, which is like a mixture of off-road, you know, just driving it here, it drives great, you know, for the setup that it has. It's a Super Duty. Let me know what you think, guys. So this particular truck that I'm driving is actually available right now at Apple Ford. This is a 26 Platinum Ultimate Tremor Package, high output. It's available right now. So I'll put the link in the description if you want to check it out. Alrighty, guys, and we're back. Hey, thank you so much for making it this far. I really do appreciate it. In the comments, let me know what your thoughts are on this truck. Is this the way that you order your truck? Would you get the Tremor Package on the Platinum trim? Let me know. Leave a comment. If you like this video, hit a like and subscribe for more. I got more stuff coming up. Believe me, a lot more.